guys, good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. I can't believe it's Vlogmas Day 20 already, guys. Time is flying. It is flying. So I am up. Me and the girls, we have an appointment to go to, so I am just getting my stuff ready, and yeah, we are heading out to the appointment that we have. Girls, get your shoes on. So yeah, I just wanted to come by and say good morning. I don't even have time to have breakfast because I'm actually running late. I don't know what time I'm running on today, but I am running late. So I hope you guys are all enjoying your morning, having a beautiful morning. Unfortunately, the sun is not out like yesterday morning, but that's okay. I'm gonna just do with what we have. We just do with what we have. Yeah, guys, so yeah, today is gonna be, I guess, another girls' day out. I was supposed to meet up with my girlfriend. She wants to go get a little bit of shopping done, so I will be doing that today as well. My daughter's gonna go drop off her Secret Santa gift to school, so we're on our way to go do that as well. Come on and take this off your head. Yeah, so we are okay. There you go. Seats all set. Here, take this. So, yeah, so it's just going to be me and the girls today. The boys are going to be home sleeping as usual. So, girls are going to head out and have some fun. Yeah, so, okay. All right, I'm all ready and it's time to go. So, we are in the car about to head out just now. So, yeah, I'm gonna put on some tunes and we're gonna get going. First, we're gonna stop at the school so this one can drop off what she's dropping off, and then head to where we're going.
At lunchtime.
At lunchtime, you're gonna drop it off now so I can think.
Okay. I guess so.
So, and then we're heading to the appointment we're heading to. Alright, so we just finished our appointment, and yeah, so now I'm about to go run some errands, me and the girls. Then we're probably gonna go have some lunch. Oh, it's almost lunchtime. Well, it's still brunch time, but yeah, we're probably gonna go have some lunch. But as you can see, they're eating candy instead of actual food. So yeah, I'm just gonna go get some running around done right now, and then we're heading in. Yeah, then we're gonna go get something to eat. So yeah, check back in with you guys in a bit. I have people staring at me in the next car. Probably wondering what I'm doing, but I guess they'll probably think I'm talking. They'll probably be like, oh, probably think I'm just Skyping somebody.
Do you want another one?
But yeah, so that is what we are up to, and yeah, if anything, we'll see. Talk to you guys in a bit. Hey guys, I just reached to the mall. We are about to meet future Coldest, so you can also go and check out her channel. She's also from an LDR relationship. She also does YouTube videos. Yeah, so you can go and check her out as well. She has some great vlogs. I will link her information in my description bar below, so you could actually go and check out her link. Yeah, guys, so we're about to go do that just now. So, yeah, I just finished meeting up with future Coldest. So Nisha, it was very nice to meet you. And yeah, we had fun just hanging out, having some girl time.
It was like so
yeah,
amazing.
You guys could check out her channel as well. And then yeah, so I will talk to you guys later. I'm actually on my way right now to go pick up my other girlfriend. So it's just been a girl day, and we're about to go do some running around, do a little bit of shopping. Everybody's trying to get their Christmas shopping done.
Yeah.
So that is what we are up to. My girlfriend and me and the kids are just doing some last minute shopping. We're running in here to go get some food at this wingy place. They are hungry.
Look at my nail.
You see your face with your nails?
I did. Look at mine.
Just getting some wings. I'm sitting here because. What am I getting? I don't know how are you getting wings.
You want to watch the show? Yeah.
What's his special?
You want to two? How about you?
What fries? The fries come with it?
Fries come with it.
Try the jerk wings. And the troubles in my... Oh gosh. Guys, I'm about to eat some food. I gotta get going. I know, I've been shopping down the place. So, the kids that were over there. So, just venture out in traffic. Oh my goodness. Time to go home. Just reached in. Oh my goodness. Been out all day and it's nighttime. I just finally reached home. Just about time for my husband to pretty much eat and go to work. That is horrible. But that's okay. So it goes sometimes.
Mommy, you have to take the garbage.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the garbage out. Give me a second. I just need to go give Mario his food and stuff. I'll take out the garbage just now. Yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys know that we are home. And I'll be back in a little bit. So I've been home for a little bit. The hubby has gone to work. I am exhausted. I've been on the road all day. And I am crashing. I just feel myself crashing. I was up late last night till about 3 o'clock. I went to bed. And then after that, I was up at 8 o'clock this morning because I had an appointment for 10 o'clock. So I'm slowly crashing. The girls actually fell asleep on the way home. Yeah, so they fell asleep on the way home, but they're up now. But I am exhausted. So I guess I'm not going to do anything else for the night. I'll just go take a shower and wind down, get into my PJs, probably go sleep or watch TV, watch a Christmas movie until I fall asleep. And we have, tomorrow will be Vlogmas Day 21 already. Wow. The year is just winding down so fast, guys. Yeah, December's almost over. Almost over. So I just want to tell you guys, thanks for watching and have a good night. I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog and Vlogmas Day 21. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Good morning. It is vlog day 18. And what, 6 more days left till Christmas, guys? Wow. Vlogmas is counting down. It's going down. So today I'm not doing much. I have an appointment today that I gotta go take care of some business. I also going to take my daughter to the mall.